Hello guys, my name is Lucy from Nestrock Investment. Na leo tuko Malaa Phase 1. Watu wanatafuta a project where you can buy and build, na kama unafanya kazi Nairobi utaendelea tu commute from Malaa. This is the right project. It's just 58 minutes drive from Nairobi CBD. Na kuna towns kadhaa hapa kama Joska, Kamulu, Ruai, so biashara pia imenoga. So we have an offer because as you all know tuko Black Friday and we have an offer on every 8th acre plot. Tunakupea na 550,000 only, and that is inclusive of title deed transfer fee. Na tunakuleta hapa uone ukague kila kitu because we have fenced the plots as you can see, na tumegrade barabara za hapa ndani, so you can come and confirm all the details. You have free site visits every day except on Sunday, so tupigie saa hii on 0700 343434. Karibuni, let's rock investment.